Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video, Glowing Star. In this session, we're going to explore one of the most important concepts in chemistry, the periodic table. We'll learn how it is organized, why it is called the backbone of chemistry, and how it helps us understand the properties of different elements. So stay tuned till the end, because this knowledge will make your study of chemistry much easier and more interesting. Everything around us is made up of atoms. When atoms are of the same type, we call them elements. To study and understand these elements better, scientists use a powerful tool, the periodic table. It organizes elements according to their increasing atomic number, which is simply the number of protons in each atom. And here's the amazing part. Elements with similar properties are placed close together, making the periodic table a map of the building blocks of matter. Studio microphone voiceover script. Each element is represented by a 1 or 2 letter symbol. The first letter is always written in capital, and if there's a second letter, it is always in lowercase. But here's something interesting. These symbols often come from Latin names. That means they're not always what you might expect. For example, the symbol for copper is Cu, which comes from its Latin name cuprum. In the periodic table, metals are found on the left side and in the middle. On the other hand, non-metals are placed on the right side of the table. This simple arrangement makes it easy to see how different types of elements are grouped together. In the periodic table, the vertical columns are called groups, and the horizontal rows are called periods. This structure helps us understand patterns in the properties of elements, both across a period and down a group. Thank you so much for watching. Hooray! If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more interesting lessons, and I'll see you in the next video.